Hello and welcome. In this video, we will be solving the equation 4x plus 4 equals 20 to find the value of the variable x. Follow along as we go step by step through the process of isolating x. Let's get started. Welcome to step 1 of solving the equation 4x plus 4 equals 20. The first thing we need to understand is that we're trying to isolate the variable x on one side of the equation to figure out its value. To do this, we should start by getting rid of the constant term. A constant term is a number that does not have a variable attached to it. In this case, the number 4 on the left-hand side of the equation. To remove this 4, we will perform the operation of subtraction. We'll subtract 4 from both sides of the equation to keep it balanced. When you subtract 4 from the left side, the equation 4x plus 4 minus 4 becomes just 4x. Remember, plus 4 minus 4 equals 0, so they cancel each other out. On the right side, we'll also subtract 4 from 20. This operation changes the right side of the equation 20 minus 4, which simplifies to 16. So after performing this subtraction operation on both sides, the new equation reads 4x equals 16. To summarize, by subtracting 4 from both sides, we've successfully gotten rid of the constant term on the left side of the equation, simplifying it to 4x equals 16. Welcome to step 2 of solving the equation 4x plus 4 equals 20. Now that we have our simplified equation 4x equals 16, we need to isolate x completely to find its value. To do this, we will get rid of the coefficient of x. The coefficient is the number directly multiplied by the variable x, in this case, the number 4. To remove this coefficient, we will perform the operation of division. We divide both sides of the equation by 4 to maintain balance. On the left side, when we divide 4x by 4, the 4's cancel each other out, leaving us with just x. On the right side, when we divide 16 by 4, we get 4. So after performing this division operation on both sides, the new equation reads x equals 4. To summarize, by dividing both sides by 4, we've successfully isolated the variable x and found that x equals 4. This step is the final step in solving the equation. Great job! Thanks for watching. I hope this video has helped, and if it did, please drop me a like.